What's up guys, it's Marissa and Isaac from Krietz Customs, back at it again with another this or that video. But instead of doing some truck wheels, we are actually going to do
just some trucks. Trucks from our gallery. So we're gonna pick some trucks from our gallery and we're gonna choose which one we like better and what and why.
Yeah. So if you guys didn't know, we do have a gallery on our website. If you go to KriettzCustoms.com, at the top of the bars, it has some different options for you. One of them says gallery, so you can actually select some different year, make, models, just to get an idea of some of the builds that Krietz Customs have done and any ideas that you want to get done to your truck. So it's definitely a helpful tool, especially for the customers that come in and that talk to me.
Moving on, we're going to the F250/F350s. I picked a red F250 that's a 2017 with a leveling kit, and Marissa's is going to be the 2018 within the Ford F350 with a 3.5-inch lift kit.
Yes. So with the different leveling kits, obviously you can do the 2.5-inch leveling kit to raise the front to match the back. With the 3.5-inch kits, you pretty much have two different options. You can keep the 3.5-inch kit in the front, or you can actually just keep the factory block in the back, or you can add an extra inch in the back, so you still kind of have like a an even style look, if that makes sense. With this one, it's just a 3.5-inch lift in the front, so we didn't do anything to the rear in this one actually. And it still kind of levels the truck out. So
my wheels are going to be the 22x12 Hostile Alphas, and which are going to be a very unique wheel. Not a lot of people run the Hostiles, and this is a very clean look that's going to have a unique spoke to it. It has little dimples at the end of the spokes, and it's going to have your gloss black and milled finish. So thus it's going to have a more of an aggressive style look to the truck by adding some more of that black into it. It's going to tie in with your emblems, because this one's a platinum. It's going to have the black and chrome emblems on the side and on the back, and as well as that. Your wheels are going to be the American Forces.
Yes, so mine are the American Forces. They are the American Force Independents. Super popular wheel across the board, only because they are that clean spoke style wheel. So you're getting a really clean, polished wheel, which is really popular among any of the trucks, especially with like the older generation trucks as well. And then again, your 35, 12, 50, 22 ridge grapplers. So we pretty much use ridge grapplers on everything. And with this truck, I think I like this truck more, only because the polished wheels go with the emblems of the truck, especially with the grille. The 250s, the leveled F250s are probably one of my absolute favorite looks, only because the 250s sit a little bit higher as it is, but with that leveling kit, it gives it a little bit more aggressive stance. Plus with like your negative offset wheels that kind of tuck out from the fender wells just a tiny bit. I mean, all in all, best style looking truck ever, leveled F250s.
It's definitely one of my top favorite looks for a truck. I do like mine, like I said, because of the color scheme that goes with it. However, Marissa's does bring a good point with the polished wheels tying into her vehicle more, and it's a really tough decision because I didn't look at the F350s, I only looked at the F250s that we had.
My bad.
That's no problem, but it is a very good looking truck, and honestly, it's really hard for me to decide which one I like. So you guys help me decide down in the comments, because I'm actually kind of torn between the two.
I am too. I mean, all in all, I really do like the clean looking polished wheels, as you can see on my F350. But again, I still like the gloss black and milled wheels, just like you chose with the Hostile Alpha. And the Hostile Alpha gets me in my heart every time, because it's one of my favorite Hostile wheels as well. It's super clean to run on any style truck or Jeep, to be honest with you. But this one, it's gonna be a hard decision for me too. I think the deciding factor is just the polished wheels matching with the chrome bumper, along with the chrome emblems and stuff like that on the truck too. So all in all, I think you guys are gonna have to decide this one when the comments.
Yeah, you're gonna either, if your wheel's gonna stick out past your fender a little bit or not, and if you're gonna keep, you're gonna have more of a, how far you want your front to sit up.
Right.
So those are very small little details that you're gonna have to pick between. So help us choose, because we're both kind of torn.
Definitely. So make sure you guys drop your comments in the bottom here and let us know this or that. So obviously Isaac's this, which is the 250 with the black alphas, or my 350 with the polished
Independence.
Yes. So make sure you guys drop your comments below, this or that, and we are on to the next one. So our next decision is going to be the same build, so lifted build with the different wheels and tires on it. So I chose a 2019 F-150 and I think you chose 2018 F-150. And then mine's gonna have that 6-inch rough country suspension lift with 22 by 12 fuel control wheels in the gloss black and milled. Then your tire is gonna be a 35, 12, 50, 22. So with my build, my wheels have a negative 44 offset on them. So once we go to Isaac's build, which you're gonna tell in a second, you'll see the difference in kind of the stance of the trucks.
So mine's gonna have the 6-inch rough country lift like Marissa's. It's gonna have a 22 by 10 hostile blaze and a 35, 12, 50 R22 NATO ridge grappler. So with the offset of mine, it's gonna be a negative 24 versus hers, which is a negative 44. Mine's not gonna stick out as much, so there's not gonna be as big of a lip. The wheels aren't gonna stick out as far from the truck. And also, I also have the fender flares on mine too. So you're not gonna have almost any tire sticking out past the fender flares, since it is not going to be one sticking out the extras like yours is, and then it's also going to have the fender flares, which is going to make it legal for if you are in a state that does have those strict laws. This is going to be a build for you. So if that's you, go ahead and pick mine, because that's the one you can do.
So with mine, I kind of went ahead with the Sport Edition trucks again, because I don't know what it is about them, but I love the grill, I love the decal going down the side, and the fuel contra. It just ties together again with the decal going down the side of the truck. I mean, like, I don't know what it is, but I don't know. I couldn't tell you. It's just the decal and the wheels and the truck and the grill. I just love this body style. I love Fords, if you can't tell.
So one thing that is a big difference between our two is we are running the same size tire but different size wheels.
Correct.
So that is going to affect how much the tire is going to be stretched. With mine being a 10 wide, the 12.5 wide tire is not going to have any stretch, so it's going to actually sit, the rubber is going to be a little bit further out, so you're not going to potentially curb rash your wheel because the tire is going to be protecting it from the wheel. However, like yours, the tire is going to be stretched in a little bit because it's a 12 wide on a 12.5 wide tire, so it is going to go out or be stretched a little bit to give it that look.
So right now you're probably seeing the wheels side by side in front of us right now. So you can see on the 10 wide wheel and the 12.5 wide tire, you're getting a little bit more of a sidewall on those wheels, just because of a little more bubble. So like Isaac said before, you're gonna have a little bit more safe side on curb rashing your wheels. Compared to mine, they're a little bit more stretched with a 12 wide wheel with a 12.5 inch tire. So all in all, I like both looks, to be honest with you. The only thing I don't like is the offset of the wheels. I feel like the 10 wides, it's just a negative 24 offset, so you're not gonna have a huge lip compared to, well, actually my wheel is a negative 44, but it's a concave wheel, so I have no lip at all, so I have no room to talk right now. But usually with the flat face, you're gonna have at least 4 to 5 inches of lip compared to the 10 wide where you'll have about 3
I usually do like the deeper dish wheels, if it has a lip or not. I just really like the dimension of having those wide wheels on those. But I haven't got to really tell you why I like my truck yet.
Yeah, you can steal your thunder now.
Okay.
You can steal my thunder.
Stole my own thunder back. Someone stole it from me. So the reason why I like mine so much is actually because of the color of the truck. This one is a very unique color. We've only had it like one other time, and we actually just had it recently, but it was a Sport, so you really like
my decal, yes.
Yeah. So this one's gonna have a really clean look with the armor plated finish on the wheels. These are the Hostile H111111. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Yeah, 3 ones.
3 ones. It's the Hostile Blaze. So this is a very unique wheel, and I haven't seen it on any of the trucks that we've done other than this one. This is actually kind of going away from what I usually like with the more blacked out look. So this one's gonna be more of that clean look. Like
I think one of the things that I do like about this truck is that it has the chrome wheels, so it matches the chrome bumpers that are around there. A lot of the times when you have a truck with chrome bumpers, it's a little bit difficult to find a wheel that kind of matches and goes with the color scheme of the truck. So one of the big things is if I see a truck with chrome bumpers, I feel like chrome wheels are the way to go, only to kind of set the rest of the look off.
Or even like a 2-piece wheel that's gonna have a lot more chrome or millings on it than regular wheels.
Yeah, a lot of the time the 2-piece wheels, like fuel wheels, will have that chrome center but the black lip, and I think that would set a look off too if you still want some black in the wheel. But all in all, chrome bumpers, chrome wheels, definitely way to go.
Yep. So that wraps up the entire video. There's a lot of vehicles to choose from. You can pick either your favorite one, or if you want to go and number out which one that you like the best, if it's this or that, or if that was a one time.
Or this or that, because we switched that one time.
Yeah, that one time.
So
just comment below, let us know which one you like, and we'll see you guys on the next video.
Peace. Thank you guys so much for watching our video. If you guys like it, make sure to be giving it a thumbs up, and make sure you comment below whether you like this or that. Also visit our website at KrietzCustoms.com.